Hey guys, this is Mrs. MacPhail. Today I have a special guest helping me out. Mrs. M and Mr. Nutty present the trade first algorithm with base 10 blocks. Dun dun dun! Which I know you're really excited about. Okay, I do have a friend here today to help me with this. He's someone you really know. And in all seriousness, we are going to do the trade first algorithm with base 10 blocks. This works well for problems that you have to trade first. So for example, what happens if I give you the problem 324 minus 167? I'm going to show you a way to get comfortable with base 10 blocks that you can solve this. I'm going to put this off to the corner for now so you can keep that number in mind. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be using my base 10 blocks to solve our problem. It's a way for you to visualize how we're going to do this. So on a piece of paper, I am going to keep track of my digits. I'm going to write down, and you can do this too if you want to follow along, 324, because we always put the bigger number on top. I'm going to grab a new Post-it note so this makes more sense to you. Or Bear Pride, that works too. 324, don't tell anyone I did that, minus 167. So we're going to keep the bigger number on top and the smaller number on the bottom. Notice how I'm lining up my numbers, the hundreds in the hundred spot, the tens in the tenth spot, and the ones in the one spot. Now just to help me out, there's my equal line. I'm going to draw vertical lines to break up my hundreds, break up my tens and my ones. And I can even write myself a note that these are my 100s, these are my 10 digits, and these are my ones digits. Okay, I'm going to put that off to the side for now because I'm going to come back to that later. All right, so what I'm going to be doing is I am going to be showing you this with base 10 blocks, like I said already. And oh, hi, Mr. Nutty. Hi, how are you? Oh, he's really happy to see you too. He's going to help us with this today. So when I want to solve using base 10 blocks, I am going to write down on a Post-it note my smallest number, 167. Notice that I have the 100s on one card, the 10s on one card, and the 7s, the 7 or the 1s on another card, okay? So that's my lower number. I'm going to model my high number with my base 10 blocks, okay? So my big number is 300, so 1, 2, 3, 300. And 20, so I need 2 French fries. So 300 or 3 100s, 2 10s or 20, and then my other number is 4, so I need 4 little ice cubes. There we go. So I've modeled the number 324. 324. So I need to ask myself, can I remove 7 cubes from 4 cubes? And I cannot. You can't do that. So you have to trade. You're going to look next door and borrow from your neighbor. So in this case, we have the 10s next door. So we are going to trade 1 French fry for 10 cubes. So I'm going to just put it there for now and count out 10 more cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whoops, Mr. Nutty, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, which means I now have 14 cubes over there, okay? Now, can I remove 6 longs from 1 long? We're in the tens digit now, all right? So can I remove 6 longs or 6 of the French fry guys from 1 French fry? And you can't do that. So we are going to trade 1 hamburger for 10 log, or for 10 French fries, okay? Because 1 hamburger is equal to 10 French fries. So bring this guy over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right? So now 10 plus 1 is 11. So now we have 11 French fries there. Okay? Now I'm going to think to myself, can I subtract 1 hamburger from 2 hamburgers? And I can certainly do that. Okay? So now we've traded and everything is fair and equal. And now our blocks look like this. We have 2 in the 100s place for the 300 number. And then we have, how many over here? Do you remember? It's okay if you don't. We can come back to it. We should have 11 here, and we have 14 over here. Okay? So can we take 7 from 14? We certainly can. 5, 6, 7. Take that away. Can we take 6 from 11? We certainly can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can we take 1 from 2? We certainly can. So now we are left with 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tens, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 ones. So our answer would be 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tens, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 ones. Okay? That is a way that how you do the subtraction when you have to use base 10 blocks. That's confusing for some kids. It's not confusing for others. So once again, we're just teaching you some different methods here so that you can feel comfortable when you have to reach into your toolbox and pull out a method that works for you. All right, Mr. Nutty says thanks. Feel free to watch this video again, or you can watch the other trading algorithm video as well, and we'll talk more about this in class tomorrow. Thanks, you guys. Great job.